Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to stop those super annoying pop-up ads on Samsung phones. If you've ever been in the middle of something important and suddenly a random ad takes over your screen, don't worry, I'll walk you through exactly how to get rid of them. First, let's fix the pop-ups that appear on top of other apps. On a Samsung phone, go into your settings and search for something called Special Access. Once you find it, tap on it, and then choose Appear on Top. You'll see a list of apps, and here's the key. Scroll through and turn off the permission for any app that keeps showing you intrusive pop-up ads. This will stop them from floating over whatever you're doing now. Some pop-ups don't just take over your screen, they show up in your notifications. If that's happening to you, just pull down the notification bar, find the ad notification, and long press on it. From there, you'll usually see an option to block that kind of notification right away. That way, the app won't be able to spam your notifications again. The next step is to clear out your browsing data. When you're online, your browser saves information like cookies and cached data. Over time, some of that can include junk that triggers pop-ups. To fix this, go back into your phone's settings, tap on Apps, and select your browser from the list. So once you're inside, hit Force Stop, confirm it, and then go into Storage. There you'll see the option to clear cache. That usually helps reduce annoying pop-ups while browsing. Just keep in mind that if you also clear cookies, some websites will ask you to log in or accept cookies again. Finally, let's adjust your browser settings directly. If you're using Chrome on your Samsung phone, open Chrome, tap the three dots at the top right, and go to Settings. Scroll down until you see Site Settings, then tap Pop-ups and Redirects. Make sure that toggle is switched off. When it's off, Chrome will automatically block sites from showing pop-ups or redirecting you to sketchy pages. That's it. Between disabling Appear on Top, blocking unwanted notifications, clearing your cache, and adjusting your browser settings, you'll be able to stop almost all pop-up ads on your Samsung phone. Just remember, while blocking pop-ups makes things way safer, it can also break certain features on some websites. But honestly, it's worth the trade-off for a cleaner experience.